If you are an online educator, a coach, or someone who wants to launch a course but feels overwhelmed because of all those moving pieces, you guys are in the right place. I know exactly how it feels to have knowledge, experience, and desire to help others, but not to know how to start, what to create, how to package it, and how to sell it consistently, not from time to time. And here's the truth most people don't tell you. It's not about posting more, it's not about going viral, it's not about copying your competitor's strategy. It's about having a system. A system that brings leads, converts them, sells for you, and runs every day for you. In this video, guys, I would like to break down what I do step by step so you can understand how we can work together and which level of support is right for you. Hi, I'm Anna Zakkery. I'm a producer for online courses, I'm a launch strategist, and I helped to build sustainable sales system, which we empower with AI, and then we convert it in Evergreen webinars, Evergreen challenges, which brings revenue in-house every day. So let's start with the first help, which I can provide to you. And honestly, this is the most underestimated one. I offer free consultations. People are always shocked when I say this because I don't believe in selling people something before I even understand what they truly need. So during this free consultation, I perform what I call a full course audit. I evaluate your existing funnels if you have ones. Most people even do not know that they already have a funnel, a very broken one. Their Instagram, their emails, their direct messages, their content, and it's all part of a customer's journey. I look at where buyers are currently come from, where they drop off, whether you are nurturing your audience, and whether your funnel is capable of making sales consistently. Also, take a look at your content ecosystem, and this is a big one. I review your content and ask, does it create demand? Does it educate? Does it build authority? This all comes in the package with a free consultation. Below this video, you will find the link in the description box, which will lead you to my calendar, and you can check if I have any free spots left. The main problem is that I have only 5 free consultations per month, but this is what helps you to start the journey. It's like a jump start for the next set of actions, which we will analyze and figure out at this call. After the free consultation, you will have an understanding what are your next steps, what you need to do in order to increase the sales of your online products. And you will have it in the form of action list, and you can use it for many months ahead, or we can work together. The next thing I do, which is the most popular one, after the audit, I create a full marketing strategy. That includes positioning. You can't promote a course if you do not have a clear positioning. I help you to define who you help. What is your ideal customer portrait? What you help them achieve. The core transformation and the angle that differentiates you from the competitors. Most online educators are too vague. They have so many messages in their social media accounts. It's so difficult to understand what they are chasing, what services they provide. So we solve these issues from the very first point. Also, in the marketing strategy, I do content strategy for social media. I will outline exactly what kind of content you need to post to attract the right buyers, not just followers, not likes, not views, buyers. I tell you what to post, how often, what topics, what type of hooks you need to use, what calls to actions, and where to direct the attention. I will create a draft of the funnel, which will give you an idea how well the Evergreen funnel or any other type of funnel look like for my specific situation. This is a great thing how you can start on your own. You will have the list of actions all placed in one file, and you will just do it bite after bite. The next thing is definitely Evergreen webinar built for you. Me and my team, we evaluate the market, we see what your competitors are doing, and then after that, we build the strategy, marketing strategy, and content strategy. And we do the Evergreen webinar for you. So how does that look? We create a live webinar first. So you go live, you need to show up for a couple of rehearsals. It's quite serious commitment. So don't treat it as, oh, I want to make a lot of money, I want to have a passive income, but I don't want to do anything for that. No, we do not work with that type of people. You come with a strong understanding that you are committed to have a sustainable system for the sales of your online product. If this is your case, come build Evergreen webinar with us. Again, you can do that by clicking the link in the description box. Once you set up the consultation, we'll see what's the best way for you to start. Also, that includes definitely the automated email sequences, the automated workflows. So we use a lot of messengers. We do that in emails, ManyChat, in Telegram, also in Facebook messengers, so in many platforms. Sometimes we can go with simple ManyChat, direct message funnel. I'm not a big fan of it. That can help you to build the email list, but it's quite difficult to nurture the leads inside the ManyChat funnel because it gives you a limited functionality. You cannot just contact people after 24 hours. Sometimes they understand that this is automatic funnel and they just ghost you. So I'm not a big fan of ManyChat funnels, but we do them as well. And definitely the big part of what my company does for online educators, we run paid ads. If you guys now running Meta ads or Google ads for your educational products, we specialize specifically on these type of ads. Here are my return of ad spend, the main metrics, how we evaluate the efficiency of paid ads campaigns. These are the metrics which we usually provide for the online educators. And if you are ready, if you want to start a new journey, if you want to try it from different angle, come join me for the Zoom call. It's absolutely free and I will be happy to help you in this matter. Here's an interesting part. Who do I usually work with? I usually work with online educators. We will also work with a big amount of clients who are not online educators at all. For example, mortgage brokers, realtors, videographers. We help them to build the Evergreen funnels, which gives them more signups for free consultations. Even if you are completely out of a social media world, but you are watching this video by some reason, give it a try. Maybe this will be a new way of generating more attention to your business. So now comment below if you are interested in this type of services, or if I didn't mention it, something which you are interested at. Just DM me on Instagram and I will be happy to assist you in no matter what your question is. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel because here we discuss everything what is needed in order to build your Evergreen funnel and generate sales no matter what.